Get low, get dough, the mindset, I'm gonna let go. Get stoned, I'm grinding, I wanna get loads. Sipping XO like good chilling when you're living offline, hotline.